Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
She could not tolerate Aśvatthāma's being bound by ropes, and being a devoted lady, she said, "Release him, for he is a Brahman, our spiritual master." As soon as Aśvatthāma was brought before Draupadi, she thought it intolerable that a Brahman should be arrested like a culprit and brought before her in that condition, especially when the Brahman happened to be a teacher's son. Arjuna arrested Aśvatthāma, knowing perfectly well that he was the son of Dronacārya. Krishna also knew him to be so, but both of them condemned the murderer without consideration of his being the son of a Brahman. According to revealed scriptures, a teacher or spiritual master is liable to be rejected if he proves himself unworthy of the position of a guru or spiritual master. A guru is called also an acārya, or a person who has personally assimilated all the essence of shastras and has helped his disciples to adopt the ways. Aśvatthāma failed to discharge the duties of a Brahman or teacher, and therefore he was liable to be rejected from the exalted position of a Brahman. On this consideration, both Lord Sri Krishna and Arjuna were right in condemning Aśvatthāma. But to a good lady like Draupadi, the matter was considered not from the angle of shastric vision, but as a matter of custom. By custom, Aśvatthāma was offered the same respect as offered to his father. It was so because generally the people accept the son of a Brahman as a real Brahman by sentiment only. Factually, the matter is different. A Brahman is accepted on the merit of qualification and not on the merit of simply being the son of a Brahman. But in spite of all this, Draupadi desired that Aśvatthāma be at once released, and it was all the same a good sentiment for her. This means that a devotee of the Lord can tolerate all sorts of tribulation personally, but still such devotees are never unkind to others, even to the enemy. These are the characteristics of one who is a pure devotee of the Lord.